Hello, and welcome to the interface of Together, the enterprise intranet portal for small and medium-sized businesses. Accessing Together is very simple. We will be able to do it from a button in the main menu of Teams. And what will Together offer us as an employee? The ability to have access to a home page to consult news, events, do research, or have quick access to recent policies and documents. Beyond that, Together also gives you access to a corporate space where you will find information concerning your company. All the news that can be easily viewed and shared in Teams. You can also share events, and you can even have the possibility to share content on social networks. Together also has a space for a search section that allows to quickly search for content. We often have documents that are scattered, and here you will be able to easily filter or even search by keyword to find what you need. You are also able to access the company directory and frequently asked questions section. Beyond that, you will also have access to facilities section, where you will be able to reserve your desk at the office. From home working in a hybrid environment, this is essential. You will also be able to call IT support or the service desk if need be. In Together, you will also find a human resources section with an integration kit that will allow you as an employee to easily access your team's information and also view messages from the president, have access to policies and rules of daily life, and of course the general guide to new employees. And of course, you will find useful documents and training videos to be able to start your onboarding training on your terms. Beyond that, Together does more than connecting you to the HR space. It gives you access to all departments in the company. Here you can see different departments with their dedicated pages. To give you an example, here is the finance page. It's a template and everything is pre-configured, ready to be used. All you have to do is add text and images depending on what you would like to be displayed. You will easily find contacts, quick access to the most important marketing tools and documents, and also have access to the latest news and happenings in the department. This can be done across the board for all of the departments within your company. Last but not least, Together has powerful social features. Here you can find a section with classified ads and share these ads in Teams with your colleagues. This allows companies to make easy transitions as Together is not just a button in Teams to access company portal in the traditional way. It is also a team within Microsoft Teams that can be found on the application ribbon, an environment that employees are already used to accessing every day. The only difference is that having these channels will allow you to have access to publications and therefore be able to interact on a daily basis with all the relevant information at your fingertips. For example, I will be able to reply to posts directly in the right channels with my colleagues, and everyone will be able to interact on the post as a team. They can then share it with the next colleague, comment and like the post. And here, for example, I can give a feedback on the onboarding kit. If your business is going to evolve, you will have the capacity to personalize it. In doing so, you go through the experience of Teams to add a tab. You can choose the Powell Teams app and select department, for example, to add one. You can then add a name and then just confirm to create a page like the finance page that we have already seen. All you will have to do is add the photos, the text, and configure the quick links. Another interesting aspect of Together is how one is able to contribute to the platform. If you go to the Company Live channel and click Events or News sections, you will find an overview of news and events circulating currently within the portal. You will be able to contribute by these handy buttons, which not only is a fun way to interact with colleagues, but it engages your users to empowering their voice both internally and externally to the company itself. So should you like to create an event or news, your interface appears directly. All you have to do is add a title and a description, format the content, and once it's done, share it so that it circulates like the rest of the news and events. And last but not least, Together gives you the ability to quickly deploy what I've shown you today. Being a client of Together, you are able to access Powell Teams, which allows you to create teams within seconds, using the Teams templates that have already been configured to your particular needs. All you have to do is go to the button Create a Team. Select your desired template. Enter your team description and add your team members and team owners, and click Confirm. Rather than taking 20 minutes to set up your team, the hard work has already been done for you, and you can deploy with seconds, then be able to access your team immediately in your usual Microsoft Teams environment.